Hi guys. Visual Studio Code change theme color and new theme install. First open Visual Studio Code. Click on File tab. Go to Preferences. Click Color Theme. For color theme setting shortcut CTRL+K CTRL+T. Now just use keyboard buttons arrow up and arrow down to change themes. If you want additional themes, click Additional Themes. Select one theme, click to install. Click Reload. Now, go to Color Theme Settings using keyboard shortcuts. Here, you see newly installed theme appear. If you want use it. Here, I am using my default theme. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please, subscribe our channel.